hold up. We was down for so long, didn't have no choice but to go up.
Just gonna blur, blur, blur.
Uh-oh, my hand is itching.
Let me see. Kind of the garlic.
So here I have my freshly ground black pepper and my freshly chopped garlic. I'm gonna use these ingredients for the butter sauce that I'm gonna use to coat my chicken after it's done baking. Let's go ahead and cut up that chicken. You can actually save these in your freezer and make chicken broth or chicken stock, whatever you'd like in the future. This would work really good for something like that. Save these for later. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and pat our chicken dry. So you're gonna get your paper towel and just Alright, so I went ahead and melted my butter. I'm just gonna go ahead and drizzle that around my chicken. And give this a mix around. I know. Alright, so that gave it a good coat on the outside.
Yeah, see this is slow-mo.
And I think I'm gonna add a little bit of flour. A very tad bit of flour. Just a little.
Is that good, you? Oh. Doing action.
Alright, so now that we have mixed our chicken around and we have that nice dry coat on the outside, it's very well seasoned, not overdoing it, you know. So this is how the outside looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and place them on my flat baking sheet. I know a lot of people prefer all flats. Whenever I go to Wingstop, that's what I order, is all flats. But today we got some really good chicken wings going on here. So these are bigger than I expected, so we're gonna make some room and probably end up using another pan as well. Yummy! I can't wait to eat these. So excited. So I'm trying not to overcrowd it. That should be good. And I'll go ahead and get another pan for the rest, but we're gonna go ahead and throw that in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes on 400 degrees. about 2 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my butter. And let that cook. I'm gonna go ahead and add my garlic. And let that cook in there for another 2 to 3 minutes. Ones that are hard to come off, I'm leaving. Alright, so final product of our baked garlic Parmesan chicken wings. First time making it, so let's go ahead and taste these bad. Hot, hot, hot. Mmm.